Whoa, whoa, whoa. Blessings, my family. Blessings, blessings, blessings. This is your girl, Miss Bev here. A typical Sunday here in Jamaica. Guys, look at me. I'm sweating. But guess what? I have been getting the fresh breeze in. All right. We have the fan there. We also have the fan up there. We're waiting for them to come and put the air conditioning unit here in the living room. Um, but this is Sunday, guys, and I'm up. And this is the little one's room. Beds are made. It's nice and cool in here. Because what I do, I cool down the place. So their AC is running. Mine is not running. And in my room, guys, I strip my bed. I think I should. No, I could deal with this heat. Strip my bed, so I'm going to be doing that later. I'm going to be making my bed. And basically, guys, it's Sunday. We're hearing some music going on here. Turning it down. I'm sure I'm going to get a strike for that. Not a strike, but I just can monetize it. So I'll try to monetize it, and if they say no, it's just what it is. So guys, it's Sunday. I'm going to be making some chicken for dinner. And see that air fryer, guys? I'm going to do a video about this air fryer. It is such an awesome, awesome gift. But we're going to talk about the air fryer compared to the Dawn microwave. And as I talk about the microwave, you should notice that the microwave is, look at me, the microwave is out of commission. That has been unplugged forever. But today, guys, listen, I'm washing, I'm doing laundry today. I stripped the beds, I'm washing the kids' clothing. I'm going to be doing the chicken for dinner. So in a few minutes, we're going to start cooking. Have my clothespins, guys. Look at this, guys. My own clothespins. Look at that. So we're going to be pinning clothes on the line later. I guess, guys, you understand that, you know, you come home, as I said, come home, live a simple way, accept the ways of Jamaica. Don't come home with everything all at once. Come home to a simple life, a simple way of living, and then you can do what you want to do. So look at the beauty. This, what I do, I buy the Lasco, and I mix it and put it in bottles for the kids for their cereal. Guys, Lasco, it's soy milk, no mucus building, whatever. This is just good whole milk for the children's system. So that's what I do. I buy it and I mix it out, put it in their bottles so they can do their cereal. And so that's how it is. Just a simple life. Yesterday I got some yam and dasheen. Not yesterday, Friday? Yeah, we went out, we got yam, dasheen, sweet potato. So if I decide to make a sweet potato pudding today, guys, I will invite you in the kitchen with me. I got my lemons there. So the little one out there, she loves to go outside and play. She just loves it. So guys, this is just Sunday in the kitchen with Miss Bev. We haven't started cooking yet. I have to go ahead, Kayla, flip. Don't flip for me. I'm watching you. Don't come in. Go back on the grass and go do a flip for me. Go flip. Go out some more. Go some more. Go ahead now. Flip for me. Again. Do some more. That's it. Wow. Awesome. You go, girl. Love it. The kid is so full of energy. Thank you, Kayla. Yep. So these are the little beauties, guys. And see, I bought this place, it's whatever you call it. But it's beautiful to put the dishes, the pots, the cups, the bowls, whatever, guys. The soap has a pocket right there. So this is beautiful, but you have to buy it for a double sink space because that's how big they are. Oh my God, but they're so awesome. So I'm just enjoying this simple life, guys. It is simple. It's not complicated. It is just simple. This is my kitchen wall. See, we have a space to hang the clothes, and you see how it's private. So you're not hanging clothes, and the world is seeing what you put out there. See the banana trees, the banana leaves. So this is just awesome, people. Listen, listen. Simple, easy. We save the bottles. Sister Dawkins bring them to some friend. So we save the bottles right there. But it is just a simple life, guys. See? Showed you up there that it's kind of windy still. It's always windy on this end. We got the door stoppers because the door used to be slamming. So I didn't like to open the door. So we put the door stoppers on. So now the door comes and it stops. Hey, go, you want to come in already?
No.
Oh, no.
No.
Need your water?
No.
No, you're good. Can I come get, I should give it to you?
No.
Oh. So that's how it is, people. Simple, no fuss, no muss. So I'm going to make up my bed, put clean sheets on. It's better our tie head and all of that. This is my favorite tie head. And where's my water bottle? And that's how it is, guys. Simple, easy going. You make the best of what you have, and you don't sit there and worry about what you don't have. Don't bring the stress on with you. I'm begging you, please, returning residents, leave the stress behind. Come into Jamaica, come home and enjoy the things that are here. It's so empty. Gotta put ice in it. Come home and enjoy the things that are here. Oh, thank you. Don't come home and bring the stress with you and come home still and get up. No, it's okay, Pumpkin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, just come home, come drink up your coconut water.
You want me to bed? Or I know spray it?
No.
Please.
Give me a coconut. Come home and try to come home. And when you go to bed and get your sleep. Don't come home with the stress and the worries and the fighting and the cussing and the all of the other stuff. Come home. Oh, them never chop this. And live your simple life, drink your coconut water, and enjoy your life. When you roll out to your bed, you roll out, give God thanks for everything, and just start your day. When I was back home, I would get up and I wouldn't want to do anything. Just looking at the space to clean, my back hurts so much. I get up now, I'm sweeping, I am doing the dry mopping, I am washing clothes, because guess what the best thing is? The washing machine is right here on this level. So I don't have to. The machine is right here on this level. So I don't have to. And oh my God, I gotta go downstairs. I used to throw the bag of clothes downstairs and then go downstairs and meet it. Never like to go downstairs at all. And no, I get up and I'm glad to gather the laundry, put it in there, and have it stay there doing the washing while I do other things. I am cooking for the kids. I'm getting up in the morning, I'm making their breakfast. And not the same breakfast every day. They're not getting cereal every day. They're getting different things. And like Rose, she's so appreciative. And Kayla too. They're so thankful. You know, they make you want to just get up every day and do their meal. So, it's one of them days again, guys. It's Sunday. And we're thankful. Look at the butterfly. Look at the butterfly. We're thankful for so many things. So many. The birds are out there flying around. Just truly thankful, guys. So, just get up, do what you do on Sunday. Get up, cook early. Then chill for the rest of the day. Look at the mountains. Get up early and cook up your meal. And take a shower later, and just kick back and chill the Jamaican way. I know, none of us stress, man. Oh my God. Today, that's sit down, go do the grocery, come back, pack out the heap or something, 2 weeks. And every 2 weeks, we spend $200 for groceries. For what? For what? You know, we had stuff. My husband would never eat leftovers. Like, if it's, he eats it one day after that, don't want it. So much stuff was wasted. Just wasted every time. Now I come here, just cook enough, and we enjoy it. We have the heap of fruits to fill in. We have, oh my God, it's so different, so different. We drink so much water because, you know, it's hot. If we're out in it, and what I do, I keep the windows, the things closed. I open the doors to get fresh air through the house, but then I keep the curtains closed. I don't, like some people open up the windows. No, I keep the windows closed. I open the doors, the back door, the front door. Air goes through, fresh air comes in and passes through, and then I close them up. And I turn on the fans, I turn on the air conditioners, and let them cool up at the house and keep the doors closed, keep it closed. If we're sitting on the veranda, we still close the doors. And we keep, that's how we modify the air in there. So we don't have to run the AC all the time. We run it, we blow the fans, and everything gets cooled down, and then just turn them off and let the place keep closed up. So at nights now, we don't have to be running AC all night. And once I find out how to regulate the air, it's working perfectly. So we're not running the ACs at night anymore. So guys, listen, life can be simple, life can be nice. We have this light on, we need to just turn it off. We don't need any lights in here. And that's how the thing goes, guys. Sunday with Miss Bev down in Jamaica. Take good care of yourselves. Can be good, be careful, you know, but walk good and live good. Because the best way that to do it. Take care, guys. Bye.